What's going on, co-rollers? This is Po Boy coming at ya. Hey guys, today we're going to continue on to season 2. Obviously we got to do a lot of cleaning, a lot of straightening up to get the whole area set up. And this week has been a little hectic, so I haven't been doing anything whatsoever when it comes to the shop. So today we're going to go ahead and clear out that mold. We're going to separate it that we did last week. And obviously we're also going to go ahead and start preparing the new section that we're going to be working on. So let's jump right to it. Alright guys, so we finally separated the mold. It did give me a little bit of trouble. I didn't have my mold releasing tools, so I was using, little spatulas and little flathead screwdrivers. You gotta be careful when you do that. So as you noticed, I went all the way around little by little till it released on its own. The inner side of doors, when you're doing them, they are very rough because they have a lot of contours, a lot of little different corners and shapes and things that actually kind of grab on. It does a mechanical lock, and obviously once you apply the chemicals, well, that chemical goes into those areas where they're kind of like overlapping to each other and make up what's called a mechanical lock. So then you can't kind of pry it off too easy. But as you know, we always put that clay all around those edges, as well as we did use some duct tape to seal out some of those holes, so that way we avoid those situations. So it's just a matter of doing it little by little. And you guys know, I've done, I don't know, the whole truck basically in molds here. And that's all it really takes. It's a little bit of patience. And obviously having some good tools will actually help you out big time. I'm not talking about brand name tools. I'm talking about good tools as in that fit the proper occasion. You want to have the right tool for that occasion. But yeah, so that's it for the mold release. For the mold separation video. So we're gonna go ahead and start cleaning up. We got a lot to do, so let's jump right to it.
I was ready to surrender my heart to you, only you. These lights all around me keep blinding my eyes from you, when the truth tell me why. I know, no, no, you won't save my life. Save my life. If you keep on your making the waves, you and I will never be saved. Be saved. If the walls come down, will you pick me off the ground? If the walls come down, will you save me or burn me down?
Alright guys, so I've done all that I could do for now. I know you guys probably haven't seen this here, but this is actually a 1985 Volkswagen Scirocco, which is also one of my race projects that I actually put to the side in order to, you know, do the stuff for the diesel track. But we're gonna be trying to remove this out of here, put it in the backyard. I'm gonna be purchasing another shed for it, so that way I could you know, put that off to the side and have the rest of the space here in the garage so we could do all our welding for the chassis. So I'm gonna cut it for now, but we'll continue tomorrow, so I'll see you in a bit.
If we are one grain of sand in the middle of the ocean, can you try to understand how a touch can cause explosions? Rise up, we're too great to be landed. Rise up, we're too great to be standing.
They ain't never gonna stop us, fly at 'em like choppers, better took those risks, cold blood in my fists, we fire starters, one out of a million will reach those heights, always had a feeling that I won't deny that work, never could toss, look in my eyes, I'm on the rocks, rise.
Well everybody, a big disappointment today. I've been trying to set the bead back on the tires to be able to inflate them, you know, fill them up with air, that way I could it'd be easier for me to roll the vehicle back to the yard. However, the bead did not want to set, and I'll be honest, those tires, they're older than, well, possibly even older than I am. I used to use them just to roll the vehicle around. Obviously I never, you know, stored it with the slicks on or anything. So yeah, those failed. I failed. What can I say? But no big deal. We'll get back on this for the next video. I'll continue. I'll get some tires for this and roll it out, and that way I could set out to the backyard and hopefully put the shed together. I gotta go buy it possibly tomorrow. So sorry to disappoint, but it is what it is. You guys seen everything else, and now you know we are cleaning this whole area up so that way we could continue with season 2 of the series. And yeah, I thank you guys for always watching. I really appreciate each and every one of you. God bless you. I love you. And let the coal roll.